All right, look at this beauty. That is as close as you're going to get coming out of our wood-fired oven. It's very, very close. You see the nice leopard spotting around that you're going to see from a wood burning oven. That's beauty. And then look at the underside. The char, that's beautiful. And that's exactly what you get out of our wood-fired oven. I've done these events before, and not specifically LA Food and Wine, but we've never done pizza at an event. And Soto, we're known for our pizzas. The fact that Breville has this oven coming out that we can use is amazing, and you don't suffer the quality that you might on some other ovens. So it makes it really nice and really easy. I mean, look at that. We use a wood-burning oven in the restaurant, and this is the first really pizza oven that I've found that really replicates that. I mean, look at this thing. It's a little bigger than a toaster oven, and it gets up to 750 degrees and will still cook a pizza in 2 minutes, which is pretty amazing for having in your house, unless you're gonna spend 20 grand on a pizza oven. Happy with the way the ovens performed. The pizzas came out beautifully. I mean, it really looked like they were coming out of the wood-fired oven.